what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're introducing the Genie Ponytail. Her in particular, her name is Sassy because that's the look we're going for today. What y'all didn't see on camera was me parting out a circle in the center of my head, because when you're tying everything up at once, it's really hard to get everything in one bun without having one side come out. So after I tie the circle in the middle, I go to the front and I tie the front. And then we're going to move to the left or right, whichever one you want to do first. And we're going to tie that up, period. Side note, my ponytail will never be in the middle. No matter how many times I reassemble, it will never be in the middle. So in a few seconds, I'm really about to take this back out because I did not like the way it looked. I had that hair sticking out on the right side and I was like, this is not it, sis. Take this back out and redo it one more time. What y'all don't see on camera is me redoing this about 7 times. So yeah, I'm mad because I had to redo it one more time. And I finally decided to record while I was doing it. So I was a little upset. So, you know, we're going to reassemble one more time. It's not going to be in the middle, but we're going to reassemble. Okay, so now I'm like, this is perfect. So now I'm using my pomade, I guess that's what it's called, by Edge Booster. And I'm just putting out my edges and on my nape to make sure I don't have any stragglies trying to, you know, not be in formation with the rest of this hairstyle. Yes, my ponytail to the side. Okay, let's get past that. So now let's get the ponytail, right? Look at that. You put the clip in, right? You make sure it's secure. You get that Velcro. You wrap that Velcro around each other, okay? And then after that, that end piece of hair, you then wrap that around the Velcro so you can hide the Velcro because you don't want the Velcro showing. Look at that. Still lopsided, but it's okay. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. Like that. Yes! Super cute. So yeah, you can go purchase one of these at ACCESSORY.net. They're starting at 100. It's either ranges between 1 to 1.5 to 2 bundles. This is one bundle and I absolutely love it. Period. So I was really feeling myself after I put my ponytail on, and I really had to like get a video for you guys. So look at that. Yes, Sassy is her name and I absolutely love it. And this one was 14 inches.